Hi Brainbox, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, we will be discussing fractions as part of the whole. But before we continue, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted for more review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. Fractions as part of the whole. For the discussion, we will be using the general equation that we have presented in the previous episodes. This equation tells us that a fraction multiplied to a whole is equal to a part. Specifically, solving for the fractional part. This is the third and final part of the discussion on fractions as a part of a whole. If you haven't watched the first two episodes, you may access them through their respective links found in the caption. In this lesson, as with the other two cases, we will need to translate phrases into mathematical equations. As a review, recall that there are some words that provide us clues as to what operations or mathematical symbols are being described. In this discussion, the common clue words that we need to familiarize ourselves with are the following. Is, or, are, means there is an equal sign. Of, means that the operation is multiplication. What, implies that it is the unknown variable that we are looking for. Let's say, for example, n. For this third and last case, we will be solving for the fractional part of the equation. In the equation, part equals fraction times whole. The fraction is missing and we will be solving for it. That is, part equals unknown times whole. We will assign the variable n for it. Let's look at this example. 20 is what part of 100? Here, 20 is the part. Is translated to an equal sign. What is translated to our unknown fractional part. On the other hand, of translates multiplication, and lastly, 100 is our whole. With this, we get the mathematical equation, 20 equals n times 100. Next, we solve this equation to get the value of n. To do this, we need to transpose 100 to the other side to isolate n. We get 20 over 100 equals n. Simplifying this, we get n equals 1/5. Great, we pretty much killed this one. Let's see another example. What part of 300 is 50? In this example, what is still translated to our unknown, n, while of is translated to multiplication. 300 is our whole, is implies an equal sign, and lastly, 50 is our part. With this, we get the mathematical equation, n times 300 equals 50. Solving for n, we have to transfer 300 to the other side, giving us n equals 50 over 300. This ultimately leads us to n equals 1/6. You are now ready for some exercises. For each item you will be given 1 minute to answer. Let's go. Number 1. What part of 1000 is 25? Timer starts now. Time is up. The correct answer is 1/40. The mathematical equation for this is n times 1000 equals 25. We isolate our unknown, n, by transposing 1000. After, we simplify the fraction on the other side. Finally, we get the value of n, which is 1 over 40. Number 2. 18 is what part of 126? Timer starts now. Time is up. The correct answer is 1/7. The mathematical equation for this is 18 equals n times 126. This can also be written as n times 126 equals 18. We now move on to solving the equation to get the value of n. We first transpose 126 to the other side and simplify the resulting fraction. From this, we get n equals 1/7. Number 3. What part of 38 is 19? Timer starts now. Time is up. The correct answer is 1/2. Translating this phrase to a mathematical equation, we get n times 38 equals 19. Same with the previous items, we isolate n on one side by transposing 38 to the other side. We then simplify the resulting fraction. Thus, we get n equals 1/2. That's a wrap. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.